we don't have Static Woman here to do the rain down part, so I'm gonna do the rain down part. And that's how that will work, I suppose. So, yeah, it started like as Wayne Cobb's stepson did the bass part. But we're gonna skip the bass solo because this isn't a bass guitar. Rain down, rain down. Well, it started out as a patch of dust, and you could call me dirt if you must. Start dreaming around to get nowhere, and I mixed with some humidity and a whole lot of acidity. But until I make some noise, you just don't care. 'Cause I'm your angry thunderstorm. Better get inside where it's safe and warm, 'cause that's the only thing that you can do. And I'm your angry thunderstorm, and I'm lashing out against the norm. So pack up your parade, 'cause I'm gonna rain down on you. Rain down, 'cause for too long I've been nice and calm. Now it's time to explode like an atom bomb. If that's what it takes to be taken seriously, ignore those warnings if you please. I'll be reaching branches off your trees and knocking in the head and drop you to your knees. 'Cause I'm your angry thunderstorm. Better get inside where it's safe and warm, 'cause that's the only thing that you can do. 'Cause I'm your angry thunderstorm, and I'm lashing out against the norm. So pack up your parade, 'cause I'm gonna rain down on you. And